In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an application form to Squarespace. If you want to collect applications directly on your website, Squarespace makes the process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll create a form block, customize the basic form details, and then add the fields you need so visitors can submit their information in a clean, professional format. To begin, open the page where you want the application form to appear. In edit mode, click on ADD block. This is how you insert new content into a Squarespace page, and it gives you access to all the different block types available for layouts, media, and interactive elements. From the block options, click on Form. This will place a form block onto your page. Squarespace automatically gives you a basic form structure to start with, which is helpful because you can quickly customize it instead of building everything from scratch. Once the form is added, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the form settings where you can control how the form looks and what information it collects. If you ever need to make changes later, this is the same place you'll come back to. Next, edit the form name. This is useful for keeping your submissions organized, especially if you have multiple forms on your website. Choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the form, such as an application form for a role, program, or opportunity. After that, edit the button text. This is the label visitors will see on the submission button. Instead of using something generic, you can make it more specific to the action so the form feels more intentional and user-friendly. Now, click on Edit Form Fields. This is where you customize what applicants will actually fill out. Taking a moment here to plan your fields can help you collect the right information without making the form feel too long or overwhelming. Inside the Form Fields area, click on ADD Field. This lets you insert additional fields based on the kind of application you're creating. Squarespace gives you several options so you can shape the form around your exact needs. From here, you can add an address field, a date field, or a number field. These are especially useful for application forms because they allow you to gather more structured information. For example, an address field can collect location details, a date field can be used for availability or important deadlines, and a number field can help with things like years of experience or other numeric responses. Once your fields are in place, review the form to make sure everything is clear and easy to complete. A well-organized form improves the user experience and helps you receive better submissions. And that's how to add an application form to Squarespace.